Welcome to the channel, Hedgehoppers UK. Just out this evening, got a few rabbits to go at using the 17 HMR. So hopefully I'll bring a bit of footage for you using the HIC Micro Alpex night vision scope. We'll see how we get on. Cheers for watching. Beautiful evening, as you can see. Where else would you rather be? Out popping bunnies with a 17 or sat at home watching telly, eh? No offence to anyone watching telly. Just talked through the kit I'm using this evening. The Knockpix Lumi L19. Very capable little thermal spotter. More than impressed with it. Very good, very compact. The rifle itself, CZ457. The varmint barrel, 20-inch barrel I think it is. We've got the HIC Micro Alpex A50T on top. Very good scope. It was one of the first ones that they brought out. Still more than adequate for the job. We've got that held on by some sports match mounts. Very good setup, great for bunny bashing. A little bit about the rifle, guys. As I said, this is the CZ457 in the varmint, 20-inch barrel. I bought this around 6 weeks ago from Bailey Shooting and Country Wear over in Cannock, and I couldn't be any more impressed, to be honest. Everything I've put through it, it's been bang on. Currently shooting the Remington 17 grains. I've put Hornady through it, Winchester, everything it seems to like, so very happy. It's nice to have a gun in the woodstock too. Very impressed. It just feels like a proper traditional gun with a walnut stock. So the action's lovely, no problems feeding. Very capable little gun. The right price as well. You can't go wrong. So a big shout out to John Bailey over at Bailey's. Big thanks for that. Did us a good deal, so cheers. Right, it's about 9:30 now. 4 rabbits down so far. They've been coming out. You can see them with the thermal sat in the woods, but they're just starting to creep out now. Now that it's just dropping a bit darker, getting a bit colder. So we've seen a bit more action. 4 clean headshots, as you'll see in the videos. Even though the rabbits might jump about a little bit, it's lights out for them as soon as that bullet hits them. So there's no issues of them feeling any afters. So, but no, so far so good. Well guys, we ended up with 8 rabbits in the end, so not a bad little evening really. Just bringing you some footage now from the knock picks. This is on top of the bank that I was shooting towards. Obviously this not great up here for the 17 HMR, more air rifle territory, but there's a lot of rabbits about, as you can see. This next video, I'm just having a little play around with the different colours on the colour palette. Got the white heart there, which I quite like the white heart, to be honest. Black heart, there's your red heart. And again, you can play around with the contrast and brightness to adjust the image to what you want. So I say my favourite's the violet. I seem to get really good clarity of the rabbits there. So anyway, thank you for watching. Till next time, cheers.